Hello students, this video is about one of the very important element of art, and it is shape. First of all, let us understand what is a shape. Shapes are just like a closed line. What I mean by closed line is if a line start from one place and meet its starting point at the end, it is a shape. For example, look at this shape. This line starts from here and at the end meet at the same point. Let us take another example. Look at this shape. Let us take this point as a starting point. It starts from here and end at the same place. So this closed figure is a shape. Here on my left hand side, on this page on the left hand side, I have made mathematical shapes. These shapes can be created with geometrical instruments. They have perfect equal sides. They could have perfect equal angles like this triangle. They are asymmetrical. As they are man-made, it is hard to find them in nature. On the right hand side, these are some organic shapes or free form shapes or natural shapes. They may not have they may not be very mathematical, they may not have perfect angles, they may not be asymmetrical, but a lot of time these natural shapes, these organic shapes remind us of something we can see outside in our world. We can see this one is a kind of shape that you can remind as a cloud, or this one you can see as an apple. This one is a kind of free form shape, ziggy zaggy shape, but still it is a shape. Shapes also have another property, that we can put many shapes together to create very complex picture like this house. To draw this house, I have used couple of squares and rectangles. I put them together in a different size and I have created this beautiful picture of house. The same way, I have used a circle and couple of ovals here to create this beautiful flower. Artist can take liberty to create and change shapes according his or her vision, and you all are artists. Mathematical shapes have different names according their sides and the angles they have. Let us take a look of few mathematical shapes and their names. This is a circle. It has only one side and the one side is also round. This is an oval. It is also has a one side. It is different from circle. If we cut a circle in half, we will have a semicircle or a half circle. It has two sides. This is a pie. The shape is known as pie. This shape is known as quarter circle. Pi is 3/4 circle and quarter is fourth part of the circle. Other parts of the circle are known as sectors of circle. Look at this shape. This is a triangle. It has three sides, and there are a lot of triangles as we go to understand them mathematically. This is isoscale triangle which has two equal sides. This is called right angle triangle because this is a right angle over here, 90-degree angle. This is acute angle triangle which has one of the angle less than 90 degree. This is obtuse angle, which has an angle which has more than 90 degree. This is scalene triangle, which has all three sides of different length. Uh, these are the shapes with four sides, and the shapes with four sides are known as quadrilaterals. There are many quadrilaterals. This is a rectangle. A rectangle is a shape with two longer lines and two shorter lines. This is a square which has four equal sides. This is parallelogram. This is trapezoid. This is rhombus. And this is kite. It is very easy to understand why it is known as kite. This is also a quadrilateral because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but it is a irregular quadrilateral. Now let us take a look to some more shapes. This is the shape with 5 sides. It is known as pentagon. This is also a pentagon. Yes, you can say it look like a house. This is also a pentagon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides, but this is irregular pentagon. Now this is the shape with 6 sides. It is known as hexagon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. It is a shape like a cell in a honeycomb. This is also a hexagon, and this is also a hexagon, but it is irregular hexagon. This is the shape with 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It is known as heptagon. This shape is known as octagon. It has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can see stop sign on the road with this shape. Octa means 8. You know, name of a creature, a sea creature, which is known as octopus. Octopus has 8 legs. Octa means 8, and this shape also has 8 sides, so it is known as octagon. There are many mathematical shapes. We will take a look to some of them. This is a cross. This is an arrow. This is a star. This is crescent. It looks like a moon. This is ring, which is circle in a circle, hollow shape. This is heart. Now let us take a look to some natural shapes. These natural shapes are not mathematical shapes. They may not have perfect equal sides. They look like free form shapes, but these shapes are inspired from nature. We can see these shapes all over around us in nature. Some of the shapes look like leaves, flowers, branch of a tree itself, grass, bushes, fruits and river. These are very useful shapes because whenever we create a, a picture, whenever we draw picture, we more use free form shapes in our picture. As we learned previously that we can use different shapes to create complex pictures. I have come up with some examples here. Look at this picture. It is a bird. I have used many shapes over here. I have used a big semicircle, couple of circles, a triangle, a rectangle and a polygon. Polygon means a shape with many angles to create this picture. You can also create such a picture by using different shape other than these shapes. Not only bird, we can also create some other picture like this picture of vehicle. this is a picture of truck. You can clearly see that I have used circles, square, rectangles and polygons to create this beautiful picture of truck. You can also create more artistic pictures by using shapes. Look at this picture of a peacock. Can you tell me that which shape I have used here most? Yes, I have used oval shape most in this picture. A big oval for the feathers of the peacock, and many more ovals make beautiful feathers of peacock. A circle for the head of the peacock, a triangle as a beak, a semicircle, and a polygon shape over here to create the leg of the peacock. So I hope that now you have a good idea of the concept of shape. What is a shape? And I hope that you will use this idea, you will use this knowledge to create your future art projects. Best of luck to you all.